Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is to not only motivate you but help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. In today's video, quickly I'm going to show you different ways with which you can give sit to stand activity for your child. These ideas could be helpful for few parents, for few it might not. So just make sure share this video with your physiotherapist, try it out and see what works best for you. The idea is to encourage sit to stand activities because the benefit of sit to stand activities are amazing. Number one, it helps in activating the spinal musculature. Number two, it also helps in improving the strength of your spinal muscle. Number three, it activates the pelvic floor muscle. Number four, it activates the gluteal region and the leg muscle. And number five, it's important for strengthening of these muscles as well. And number six, sit to stand activity improves functional independence of the child. So make sure to incorporate sit to stand activities in your daily routine. How to do that? Let's have a look. So the first way of doing that is with the help of this wedge pillow. Again, the link to this wedge pillow is mentioned in the description box. You can check it out if you want to. Sit on a stool or chair or a table like this. Keep your leg like this if your child is between 2 to 3 or 4 years. If a child is bigger, then you might use a stool or else a chair. But make sure that the child is sitting on something which is of edge and which is stable. Place the child at the center. Keep the legs apart like this. Keep the legs apart like this. After doing this, what you need to do is ask the child to put the pressure and push the hand over the wedge pillow. Once the child learns to push it, then gradually you can start giving a push from the pelvic region. Here we are not trying for child to completely stand. What we are encouraging is just lifting of hips and putting pressure on the legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and relax. Once you have done that, the second activity, now what you need to do is you need to ask the child to sit again, keeping a roll or else sitting like this with a back support. Okay, so initially the child was sitting against the pillow support. Now the child is sitting with pillow support. A pillow should be hard or firm enough. If you don't have pillow, you can use a sofa set without a back cover. So that would be a firm surface, right? But then again you have to make sure that there is something slant at the edge. Now once that is done, you keep your legs straight like this. Make the child sit in this way. Alright? Keep your hand. Give some support and encourage the child to come to sitting position. The goal should not be that the child should stand completely. The goal should be that the child lifts the hip and pelvis. The child makes the knee straight. That is the goal. Or else puts the weight on the leg. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this was number 2. And coming to the third way, the most easiest way, you can keep your legs straight like this. Ask the child to sit in this way. If you feel this is less, you can use 2 legs also and make the child sit on 2 legs like this. So right now I'm using 1 leg of mine because depending on the size of the child. Then you just need to give some support on the leg. Keep a toy in front or else keep something in front, hanging or placed forward, or you can ask the sibling to hold some toy and just encourage the child to stand. Again, let me remind you, the idea is not that the child should stand completely here. The idea is that the child should put weight on the leg and child should lift the hips. Most of the parents make this difficulty. They feel that in sit to stand activity, it's incomplete if the child is not standing up completely. It's not necessary. We are anyways going to give standing training again, right? So here the idea is just to focus on lifting and putting weight, this action. Alright, so that makes top 3 ways of training the child to do sit to stand activities. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.